Hi friends, welcome back. I'll be sharing a different kind of video today where I'll be using a very unusual painting surface. You know what? The biggest madness that most of the artists have is the strong urge to paint anything and everything around them. Be it a piece of cloth or wood or wall or just anything that they can get hold of. So if you have that artistic instinct within you, I'm sure you can very well relate to what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm stung with the same creative instinct of turning everything around me into an art piece. So today, as you have already guessed from the intro, I'll be painting on leaf. Yes, you heard it right. I'll be plucking some leaves from my terrace and paint on at least one of them. Haha! So out of all the 3 leaves, I guess I will take this one for my project as this fits my plant composition the best. So without any further ado, let's get started. And please be with me and watch the entire video to see the transformation. As always, I am using a masking tape to secure my leaf on my work table. I'll be using acrylic colors today and I'll be using only 5 colors for the painting, which is titanium white, sap green, burnt sienna, lemon yellow and ivory black, and that's it. Although I am using fresh leaves here, but you may also use dried leaves for the purpose, which would ensure that the painting lasts longer if stored properly. But trust me, I didn't have the patience to wait for the leaves to dry. As soon as I got the idea and I got hold of them, I just wanted to transcribe my thoughts onto it, guys. So please excuse me for that. And you can paint the same composition on any surface you like. I'm using a leaf just for fun, just to play with the texture of the leaf, but take this video as any other normal acrylic tutorial. I just wanted to prove and show to my audience, especially all the beginners out there, that you can paint on literally any surface with acrylic colors. You need not use an expensive canvas for practicing. If you have the colors and just a few brushes, you are good to go. Keep painting and practicing, guys. Once you ace the technique, you can upgrade yourself to working only on canvases and expensive papers. So friends, if you are liking the video and our little chit chat, then please be with me till the painting gets completed. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification to stay updated about all the videos I upload on my channel. So our painting composition is right at the middle of a thick forest, and so you don't see any sky or any light blue or dark blue anywhere. You can see just dark greens and lime greens everywhere around you. Always remember, the trees that are farther away will be lighter and the ones that are a little closer to you will be black in color or maybe dark brown or dark greeny color. I'm using a fan brush here to do the foliage. I'm also painting a few branches running off the bigger trees. Again, not too many, just a few off each tree. You could also add some squiggly small trees in the back. Now same as before, I'm using the same fan brush to add some darker green leaves to the trees in the front. This time, make the green paint a little darker, more on the blackish side. And please don't fret over details. These leaves are just some black and green dots around the main branches. It's all about details, friends. Feel free to add more leaves to the trees and more branches with the fine brush until you are happy with the result. Using the fine brush, add light green horizontal strokes to make the grass. Add more highlights to the ground and to the road. I will also be adding some highlights on the tree trunks. The idea is to keep adding more details and highlights. The more details and highlights you add, the more realistic your painting becomes. Add more plants and grasses on the bottom and leaves on the top until you are perfectly satisfied with the result. For the final step, I am adding some finishing touches, a few more plants, some shadows that these bead plants cast. For example, I wanted the ground to be a bit darker and have some more reddish brown instead of some light green. So I added some sharper dramatic shadows on the ground. I just wanted to add some more details and more elements into the picture. So here I am adding two figurines, one of a father and his little kid walking hand in hand along the forest road. Don't you think the entire story of the painting changes as soon as I add these two figures in the picture? According to me, it just adds completely new dimensions to the painting. I am reminded how a dad is someone who guides you to the right path. A dad is neither an anchor to hold us back nor a sail to take us there, but just a guiding light whose love shows us the way. So that's all for today, friends. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. As I always say, pick up that art paper, that pencil, that paintbrush, that pastel, and let art take you where it will. Explore and experiment. Just keep pushing your boundaries. After all, life is art and art is a way to grow as a person. So take that advantage, friends. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.